welcome back to Cooking with Gloria. Today I want to share with you a very refreshing and delicious lemonade. Watermelon hibiscus lemonade that I know you guys are going to love. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. First things first, making my simple syrup. To make the simple syrup, you need 1 cup of granulated sugar, 1 cup of water. We take it to the stove. We let it boil until the sugar has dissolved and the water has turned just a slightly yellow. Once this is done, turn it off and just let it come to room temperature. Doing it like this, you use less sugar. And here I have my organic lemons from my garden. Of course, I am going to get all the juice out of the lemons. With this little gadget, you do not leave anything behind. Let me tell you, you're going to need about 1 cup or 1 cup and a half to make this amazing and delicious lemonade at home. Well, here I am going to go ahead and start taking the edges of the watermelon. The reason that I'm doing this first is so that the watermelon doesn't run away from me while I'm taking all the skin away. Look at this. Being very careful, I am going to remove all the skin. This is what takes a little longer, getting your watermelon ready. Once this is ready, I am ready to just remove these little white spots of the watermelon because they have no flavor. So I'm just going to remove them and then I am going to slice away. We are going to use about 4 cups of this watermelon and the rest we are going to enjoy. Well, here let me show you the slices. And now, of course, I'm going to reserve a little bit of the watermelon. I'm going to cut it in very small little pieces for the decoration of the pitcher and the decoration of my glass. And now, when this is done, I am going to reserve. I'm going to start cubing the rest of the watermelon so I could add it into my blender cup. Let me tell you, refresh yourself with this amazing and delicious watermelon hibiscus lemonade. Once you make it, you're really going to fall in love with it. Well, here I have all my watermelon ready. And now let me show you and let me give you the secret. When you make hibiscus lemonade, remember, a lot of people love putting it to boil. They put it on a pot, they add water, and they boil it. And all those properties and benefits, well, they're gone. But if you rinse your hibiscus flowers, rinse them really good, add cold water, cover it, leave it overnight, and the next day, this water is going to be infused with the color, with the aroma, with all those amazing benefits that the hibiscus flower has. This is the best way to make this amazing hibiscus water. Don't ever put it to boil. Leave it overnight and you will see the difference. You will taste the amazing flavor of the hibiscus. And of course, the color is going to be so intense that you're going to love this tip. Well, here I am going to, of course, strain all the hibiscus water. I'm going to add it in here and then I'm ready to blend away. Let me tell you, enjoy and refresh yourself with this amazing homemade watermelon hibiscus lemonade. Look at this. Once you're going to go ahead and blend away for just a couple minutes, you could really see the color of this amazing lemonade already. Of course, I'm going to put it through a sifter because I want to remove all the fiber of the watermelon. I really want to enjoy this lemonade. So this is what I'm going to do. Sift in, Get it nice and sifted, and I'm going to show you why I am sifting this mixture. And I am sifting because I don't want all that pulp in my lemonade. It takes time to sift in. Get a spoon, mix it very well, and then you'll see what's going to stay in the sifter. This is exactly what you don't want. You really want to enjoy your amazing watermelon hibiscus lemonade. This is what you don't want in your lemonade. All those little fibers that at the end, if you just leave it there, they're going to separate and your water is not going to be the same. So just take your time, sift it really good, add your lemon juice, add the simple syrup, add a pinch of salt. The salt is really going to help you elevate the flavor of the watermelon, elevate the flavor of the hibiscus. Of course, it's going to help you with the acidity of the lemon. And once this is done, add all those little pieces of watermelon right into the lemonade. Let me tell you, once you make it, you're really going to fall in love with this amazing lemonade. If you like and love this recipe, leave me a thumbs up, share this video on social media, be part of Cooking with Gloria. Look at this. Look how amazing this looks. You're really going to enjoy it. This is the time to enjoy this amazing lemonade. It looks amazing, and I'm sure that the taste is going to be just perfect. I'm not going to add any ice to my pitcher. I'm just going to add the lemonade. I'm going to add ice to my glass, and then I'm ready to enjoy. I am sure that by this time you are nice and thirsty, but let me tell you, make it, enjoy it, refresh yourself with Cooking with Gloria. I am ready to enjoy it, so I'll see you in just a little bit. Can't wait to enjoy. My friends, I am completely done with this watermelon hibiscus lemonade. Perfect for this hot weather. This is the part I love and enjoy, tasting my recipes. I wish you guys were here to taste it with me. Excuse me. So refreshing. The combination of the watermelon and hibiscus, just amazing. Refresh yourself with Cooking with Gloria. If you liked and love this amazing lemonade, leave me a thumbs up, share this video on social media with your friends, with your relatives, so Cooking with Gloria continues growing. Don't forget to push that notification bell, and if you did, leave it activated, so every time I make an amazing recipe, yes, you're going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. I love you guys. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being part of Cooking with Gloria. Like, subscribe, and share. And I will stay refreshing myself with this amazing watermelon hibiscus lemonade. See you soon. Bye-bye.